Every time I hop into my truck, I'd love to use CarPlay, but honestly, I hate that I have to plug it in every single time just to use CarPlay. So today, I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone to your radio using CarPlay wirelessly on a 3rd gen Tacoma. Stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel and welcome back for another video. If you're new here, my name's Chris. Right now we are sitting inside of the Fortune Taco, and also if you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy the videos, and also drop a comment down below, say whatever you want. Just let me know you're new so I can welcome you to the channel. So like I mentioned in the intro, today I want to cover adding wireless CarPlay functionality to the 3rd gen Tacoma. Now, it's going to be very, very simple of how to do that. One Car Stereo makes a wireless plug-and-play CarPlay device, so you can easily connect your phone to your radio just like you would with Bluetooth. One Car Stereo did reach out to me and ask if they supplied this to me, would I be able to make a video? So yes, today's video is sponsored by One Car Stereo. If you've seen my videos before, you know anytime I do a product review, I am honest, no matter what, if I paid for the product or if it was a free product, I'm still gonna give you my honest feedback on what I think of the product. So we're gonna go over just how simple it is to set this up. Literally plug and play, you just plug it into the USB port on your truck. You will connect your phone to this device with Bluetooth, and then that's it. You have wireless CarPlay. It is very simple. We will go over the simple setup and then show you just some of the basic features of the wireless CarPlay system. The one I have here is called the AI Box Elite. They do have a couple different models. There's different features and different price points. I will leave a link down in the description below to the One Car Stereo website so you can check out all their products and pick one for yourself if you're interested. Let's get to plugging this thing in, showing you what it looks like on the screen and showing you just how easy the functionality is of this AI Box Elite. So with the AI Box Elite, what we need to do is plug it into the USB interface down here below the radio. As soon as we plug it in, you'll notice some lights on the box. You can see that there, just indicating we have power. Give it just a minute or so here. Once it starts to power up and communicate with the Tacoma radio, we should see something start to change here on the screen. There we go, the Apple CarPlay is starting to populate. And there is our startup screen, the AI box, or the smart AI box. As soon as it gets powered up, we will see the welcome screen. So here is your standard welcome screen just for the AI Box Elite itself. So Speed Play is kind of like their mirroring system for CarPlay. That's what you're gonna use to connect CarPlay. And once you have this set up, it should automatically go straight into the CarPlay every time you come in and connect your phone. If you go to all apps here, there are multiple different things you can do if you wanted to dive deeper into it. Me personally, I just like the whole wireless CarPlay feature, so I'm gonna be mostly using that. But there's other apps in here, and I believe you can go into the Play Store and download more apps than what's available here. But we got Disney Plus, Netflix, YouTube, Spotify. All these things can be used right here on your screen now. Like I said, the most important thing I'm interested in and what I really wanted this product for was the CarPlay. We're gonna tap on that Speed Play button, and then this blue bar here in the center, we're gonna tap on that so we can set up our Bluetooth connection. So at this point too, you'll want your phone. With your phone, you're gonna go into the Bluetooth menu. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, there should be an option available for you that says Smart AI Box. We're gonna tap on that and connect just like we would to any other Bluetooth device. And as soon as you connect to that, within seconds, we already saw up on the screen here, Bluetooth device successfully connected. And now the Speed Play app is starting to sync up with the phone and with the unit. And there we go. I mean, you saw how quick that was in real time. That was only a couple seconds. And now we do have CarPlay. This is coming off of my phone, and it is wireless CarPlay on the Tacoma. And the cool thing is it uses the standard CarPlay that the Toyota uses. So there's gonna be the same exact screen you're familiar with seeing if you've used CarPlay before. connected with a USB cable. There's no difference with the wireless CarPlay than the wired CarPlay. It's literally using the Toyota CarPlay system. Your phone gets connected through Bluetooth to this device, and then obviously this plugged in with the USB is connected to the car. So all it's doing is just making a wireless Bluetooth connection to that box and giving you wireless CarPlay, which is awesome. So one thing I noticed when playing with this, once you're in this CarPlay mode, I do not know how to get back to the AI Smart Box application. In my opinion, or at least for my personal use, it doesn't matter to me because I just wanted the wireless CarPlay. I got what I needed. But for those people that are interested in using the Netflix, using the YouTube, and wanting to use those apps in the AI box, I do not know how to get back to that. So I don't know if there's a certain trick or something I need to know to get back to that. One Car Stereo, if you want to chime in on this, drop a comment or send me a message and I can update the viewers and let them know. But other than when it first starts up and takes you to the AI box system, I don't know how to get back to that menu. As far as functionality, I did some testing playing around with it. I saw 0 issues. So there might be more longevity testing that needs to be done to see how this will work in the long run. But at least for right now, everything's working great. I drove around for a little bit, used it pretty much yesterday and a little bit today. The maps work all normal, Spotify, all my music plays fine. I did not test in doing a call on it, but I don't see why that would be an issue. Obviously, you will have to have this thing plugged in. As long as you want wireless CarPlay, this has to stay plugged in. So to me, it's not a big deal. It's so small, and you can see it in my hand. It is tiny. You can try to take it and hide it somewhere or mount it somewhere. It's not too big of a deal, but just make sure you're aware of that. If you want this wireless CarPlay functionality, you will have to have that box plugged in as long as you're using the wireless CarPlay. It was a simple, quick and easy install and quick little overview of this product. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment if you have any questions for me, if you have any questions about the product, or if you just want to say hey. And lastly, if you are not a subscriber, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified and you can see all the future videos I create on the channel. Head on over to the One Car Stereo website if you are interested in putting wireless CarPlay in your Tacoma. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next one.